This is the 2.9 engine with the start. You can hear what it idles like. I've already done the pre running, you know, the lifter break-in. And these are actually my race carburetors that I've actually put chokes on. So they're not necessarily the best carburetors for this because they do have an overbore in them. And I've had to rejet them ever so slightly to make them work with this engine as well as it does. I know I showed it before, but here's the oil pressure, more or less hold at idle, and then it'll actually go down a little bit more when it gets hot. It's about 30 at an idle on a hot run. So, but that's how it starts and shuts off. Actually, we'll do it again without anything. There's how easy it starts. So there you have a 2.9 engine running and ready to go, probably in an Ultravan. I don't think it's going to be mine.